How can I diagnose the problem with my Whirlpool fridge freezer?
Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to tackle an important topic. How can you diagnose problems with your Whirlpool fridge freezer? It's common for appliances to encounter issues over time, and being able to diagnose the problem yourself can save you time and money.
Is your fridge freezer powering on?
First things first, let's confirm that your fridge freezer is getting power. If it's not powering on, check if it's plugged in and the circuit breaker isn't tripped.
Is the temperature incorrect?
If the power is fine but the temperature inside your fridge or freezer seems off, it might be a thermostat issue. Check the thermostat dial and make sure it's set at the right temperature, 38 degrees Fahrenheit for fridge and 0 degrees Fahrenheit for freezer.
Is there a problem with the door seal?
A faulty door seal can cause cooling issues. Inspect the rubber seal around the door for any cracks or damage. A good seal should hold a dollar bill in place when closed on it.
Is the fridge noisy?
Noise can indicate a few different problems, most commonly with the compressor, fans, or defrost timer. Locate the source of the sound to identify potential issues. Unusual or loud noises should be looked at by a professional.
Is there a water leak?
If you notice water on the floor near your fridge, it could be a blocked defrost drain or a leaky water supply line. Check these areas and clear the defrost drain with a mild solution of bleach and water if it's blocked.
Is the ice maker not working?
A common issue with freezers is the ice maker not working. Make sure the water supply is connected and the freezer is cold enough. If the ice maker is still not functioning, it might require professional service. Remember, these are just some basic steps to help you diagnose problems with your Whirlpool fridge freezer. Always consult your appliance's manual for specific troubleshooting advice and don't hesitate to call a professional if you're unsure or if the problem persists. We hope you found this video helpful and thank you for watching.